I'm Ann Kiske, and today I'd like to introduce you to some of the staff in the office. I'd like to introduce you to Tyra. She's one of our paralegals.
I'm the master organizer of the files. I make sure the files are all neat and pretty, so that way when the attorneys go to court, they have all the documents right in front of them at their ease. Just open the file and there's what they need.
I have Erin Cordonier here. She's one of our great paralegals. Erin, how do you help people with their family law matters?
After a client hires, I take over managing the case. So first things first, I take the file and I see what the task is, what does the attorney need to do, what does the client need to do. And just step by step, I'm the liaison between the client and the attorney so that the attorney knows that every step of the way what she needs to do, what the status of the case is. The client knows as well as incoming, anything that comes in from the court, whether it's another attorney filing something, anything that comes through an order from the judge, I bring in and then tell either the attorney or the client, whoever needs to take proper action with whatever comes in. I make sure that it gets done. And so with every case file, I have a list. What does this require? What do the clients need to do? Are there deadlines? And so I just manage that, manage the calendar, manage the file, so that when Ann here is going to court, I hand it to her. She knows what's going on. She's prepared. She's reviewed. And same with the client, making sure they know what to expect. No surprise court dates, no surprise paperwork, deadlines, anything like that. Just keeping in touch, making sure everything's on track.
This is Amber.
Okay, and so I would be the first point of contact for anyone coming to or calling into the office. I assess them and decide what kind of help they need, if we are the right office to help them, and I am the voice of reason that gets them into a calmer state of mind so that they can clearly express themselves and I can clearly explain how we are able to help them. So I am the master client communicator. And so if you are having an issue, needing to schedule an appointment, running into trouble with your payment, you will need to talk to me to help resolve that situation.
Okay. And this is Carol.
I am the duck master. I keep everyone's ducks in a row. If the lawyers need help in scheduling, basically anything that anybody needs, they call me.
I'd like to introduce you to Mandy. She's the senior associate attorney.
I'm Mandy Showalter. I've been an attorney for 12 years now. I've been working with Ann for 6 of those 12 years. I graduated from UMKC's law school with an emphasis in family law.
What's mediation?
Mediation is a neutral process where two parties in any sort of legal dispute can sit down with somebody and see if they can have a conversation to figure things out. Here we primarily do mediation for child custody issues, and we tell our clients that mediation offers you options for your family and children that you will never have in front of a judge, so it's a very valuable and important process.
Say hi to Michelle. She's our junior associate attorney.
I'm Michelle Foster, and I'm an attorney at the Kiske Law Office. My general practice areas are family law and traffic. My job is to help you through your legal matters, whether it is divorce or whether it is guardianship. I am here for you and to assist you in all of your needs legally with the court.
This is our newest team member, David.
I'm David Cooper. I have been a lawyer until recently, a partner with another lawyer who decided to retire. So I was looking for a new home, and Ann was kind enough to take me in. I've known Ann for a long time, and she offered me an opportunity, and I felt like it was a wonderful opportunity for me to be here, to practice in the subject areas that I know best. I do a lot of bankruptcy, DWI, some family law. Ann has a need for those, so it was a good fit for us, and I'm very happy to be here.
What if our friend has a DWI?
Number 1, be polite. Certainly you don't want to say anything or do anything that would antagonize an officer. Second, you can be polite, but you can also be polite without making any statements. Don't answer questions about particulars, where you've been, how much you've had to drink, other things you want to get off your chest, the drugs that are in the console. Don't tell the cops any of those things.
Our team is here to help you get your ducks in a row.